Okay, now that we've looked at the number line and we hopefully have a little bit more understanding about where the numbers are, and as we move, remember, to the right, the numbers get larger. As we move to the left, the numbers get smaller. That's so important to keep in mind. Now we also need to be able to determine, just looking at two numbers, which one is larger and which one is smaller, so that we can determine whether these statements are true or false. So here we have a statement that says -4 is greater than or equal to -1. Don't forget, you have to know what that symbol says in order to be able to read that properly. Well, especially right now, as we're just now learning about the number line and the positive and negative numbers, let's go ahead and draw this out. I'm going to put my 0 here for reference. Negative numbers go to the left, so this would be -1, 2, 3, and -4 would be right there. Now, by looking at this visually, we can tell that, remember, as numbers go to the left, they get smaller. So that tells us that -4 is smaller than -1. This is not a true statement. That statement would have been false, because -4 is actually smaller, not greater, than -1. Let's try that again and see if we can understand this one. This one says -3 is less than -1. So again, let's draw out a number line, and I'm going to put a 0 right here for reference. These are both negative numbers, so we're going to move to the left, starting out with -1, -2, -3. Now, looking at this, remember, as we go to the left, the numbers get smaller. So that tells us that -3 is farther to the left. It is smaller than -1. And this statement actually says that. It says -3 is less than -1. So this is a true statement.